quanto è bello, spira tanta sentimento, come tu a chi tiene a mente, cascetata fai tornare. Guarda, guarda stu giardino, si vesti sciurrarante, un profumo così fino, in tau cuore se ne va. Se tu dici io parto a Dio, t'allontana da stu cuore, da sta terra dell'amore.
For those who love to cook, know that one of the best things about cooking is the gathering together of friends and sharing the experience. What better way to meet the requirements when you have the right cooking appliances? Welcome to Euro Appliances. My name is Adrian Deloya, and during the next 5 minutes, I'll introduce you to our two brands of kitchen appliances that meet these expectations, Euro Appliances and Fratelli Onofri. In this video, we will travel through our overseas manufacturing partners, and we will have a look at the different levels of quality that our wide range of exceptional products promise. You will meet the friendly staff at our central head office who look after logistics, after-sales service and warehousing. Let's get cooking. Euro Appliances' wide range of products is only possible because of strong relationships with a number of leading manufacturers all over the globe, and helps bring the culinary adventure into everyone's home. After your oven is elegantly designed, carefully manufactured and tested to comply to Australian standards, it is then ready for shipping to Australia. With stock being held in all major states of Australia, our reliable and trusted shipping partners then deliver directly to our local logistics company, whether you are in Victoria, New South Wales, Western Australia, South Australia, Queensland, Tasmania or the Northern Territory.
At Euro Appliances, you're very important to us. Like yourselves, without customers there's no business. Which is why we make sure that every order received at the Euro Appliances head office is given personalized attention. And also through our national distribution network, we make sure that we meet your expectations for the delivery times, on time, every time.
Once the product is delivered, this concludes the process from a sophisticated three-dimensional design engineered on a computer screen in Italy to the warehouse at your store. Our friendly and experienced sales support staff receive various phone calls daily, either from our resellers or the general public. They will answer any query in a professional and capable manner and treat the customer with undivided attention. Our reputation commands this.
Welcome to Euro Appliances, this is Anthea. No problem, I can help you with that.
Furthermore, your staff can feel free to call our head office to ask any questions relating to stock levels, product information, tracking of orders, or any other matters, because we strive to be the best we can possibly be, with a sales history we can be proud of.
Welcome to Euro Appliances, this is Astrid. Yeah, good, thank you, Michael. How are you? Yes, the CM2H90S range hood is currently in stock in our New South Wales warehouse.
The Euro Appliances after-sales service program provides a fast, efficient and professional approach and is second to none. Euro Appliances boasts a network of over 450 partners in the service industry who are expertly trained and certified technicians in both gas and electric appliances in every state of Australia.
We encourage your customer to call our service hotline. We pride ourselves in the fact that our after-sales service is of the highest standard.
Here at our spare parts department at head office, we stock all the parts readily available for our whole range of appliances to be sent out to our contracted service technicians Australia-wide.
For consumers' peace of mind, Euro Appliances offer a 2-year warranty on our Primera series and a 3-year warranty on our Grande series and Fratelli Onofre range. Further to this, we also offer the option of a further 2 years manufacturer's extended warranty that can be purchased at a minimal cost. Italian Design took great strides forward in their kitchen design, taking what was the small, less important room in the house to one of great significance. They combine form and function, and Euro Appliances understand this, offering beauty and efficiency within their wide range of products, such as freestanding and underbench ovens, cooktops, range hoods, dishwashers, microwaves, and wine coolers. Kitchen styles in today's society vary, from rustic to sleek modern designs to futuristic, and the Euro Ensemble caters to everyone's tastes and needs. Our research and development team are constantly looking into new products to add to our ever-evolving range. The future is out there, and we are a part of it. As well as our product catalogue, which is readily available to your store, our marketing department can also work in conjunction with your staff to provide specific marketing in which we can create flyers, packages, in-store signage, and freestanding banners. We are also open to the idea of joint advertising with our stores, whether it be in the form of television, print, or radio advertising. Your in-store display is an extremely important advertising tool to sell our products. We cater for your individual needs and personalised sales environment. The Euro Appliances website is a modern, simple to use tool for you and your staff, which is updated daily with the latest products and information. Furthermore, technical sheets on each product can be downloaded, as well as the product manual for your staff and potential customers on each and every model in our range. Product training is our way of developing the Euro company culture that embraces excellent customer service. Every employee understands what is expected when interrelating with our customers. We provide continuous product training to your staff, as we feel it is vitally important that they have a high level of product knowledge. Our customers always are made to feel as though their best interests are being given serious consideration.
Hi, my name is Mario Boffa and I'm the Managing Director of Euro Appliances. The last few moments you had a small overview of what Euro Appliances is all about. Our dedicated staff are committed, passionate and driven to provide the best possible service to the kitchen appliance industry. We work with the best manufacturers around the world, and as our slogan says, Euro Appliances bringing the best of Italian quality to Australia. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Euro Appliances represents Italian quality, lifestyle, taste and service. You don't have to be a budding chef to spend a great deal of time in the kitchen. The home is where the heart is, and the heart of the home is the kitchen. So let Euro Appliances capture your heart. Grazie, arrivederci e buon appetito.